Hey guys, Ben with Overland Garage. So I got some good and bad news. I pulled the motor, well, not pulled the motor, but I pulled the head on the driver's side of that 302 and in the Danger Ranger, and I found out that number one cylinder is got a big giant chunk out of it, and I'll put a picture in there to show you, but yeah, it's really not good. So unfortunately, sometimes you think you're diagnosing right down and all these symptoms are adding up, you got sludge and all this other stuff, but what you really find is you got more of a serious problem going on. So I'm going to be pulling the motor, and I got another one lined up to go in it, so luckily I have a backup plan, but stay tuned and we'll be putting a motor in the Ranger.